Welcome to this comprehensive review of the CCG mining platform. CCG mining has become a go-to solution for cryptocurrency enthusiasts seeking a reliable and efficient mining platform. In this video, we will explore all aspects of CCG mining, including its features, tools, and functionality, to give you a clear understanding of how it works. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced miner, CCG mining offers something for everyone. Starting with the platform's user-friendly interface, CCG mining is designed to make crypto mining accessible and straightforward. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins, allowing users to diversify their mining activities. The site provides detailed insights into mining statistics, enabling users to track performance and profitability in real time. Additionally, its secure infrastructure ensures the safety of your assets, giving you peace of mind. One of the standout features of CCG mining is its variety of mining packages. These options cater to different budgets and mining goals, ensuring flexibility for all users. The platform also provides cloud mining services, eliminating the need for expensive hardware or technical expertise. Cloud mining allows users to mine remotely while leveraging the power of CCG's professional mining equipment. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Returning to CCG mining, the platform's transparency is worth noting. It provides clear terms and conditions, detailed contracts, and an intuitive dashboard that allows users to monitor their progress and earnings. The team behind CCG mining is experienced in blockchain technology and mining operations, which adds credibility to their services. If you're considering starting your crypto mining journey or scaling your current operations, CCG mining is worth exploring. The platform ensures that you stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in the crypto world, helping you make informed decisions. Subscribe now and smash that like button to stay tuned for more crypto insights and tutorials.